everybody. So today is Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. It's for men's mental health awareness, and it's for bikers and men in general as well. So I've been out around Tramore in County Waterford, and now I'm out in Dunmore in County Waterford as well. I absolutely love this place, and it's great for the mind. It was going to be, the weather was looking really bad, not great, but I was getting out because I wanted to have I wanted to help with mental health awareness. So there's a lot of people going through a lot of bad stuff, and to look, a drop of rain is nothing towards making a bit of awareness and showing you and everybody else that you're not alone.
Thank you for joining me on the video today as I go off for a spin in aid of the Gentleman's Ride charity that helps for men's mental health, men's testicular health, all men's health across the board in the biking community, and obviously in the wider community as well. And I just went off for a spin. I know the weather wasn't great, but you know, there's a lot of men going through a lot harder stuff than me putting on my bike and going out on a bike. So it's the least I can do to raise some awareness and to let people know that you're not alone. I've had tough times with mental health as well. I've no issue in saying that, and lucky enough I've been open enough to be able to talk about it, and others have been able to talk to me about it as well. So that's really why I've been doing it, and this is my first year obviously with a bike. So I've said I'll go out and do it, and I hope that if you're feeling some way down, or if you know somebody like that, you can get the support yourself, or you can give other people the support. And it's pretty easy sometimes to get that support and give it. By giving that support, it's using your ears and listening to somebody, you know, not telling them what to do. Sometimes someone just wants to leave it out and not getting out and coming back, and you can just listen to them, and the other way around, and you can speak to somebody about it as well, because you know, there's a lot of people speak to me about it, message me that I wouldn't particularly know. I just know them from being on Instagram and stuff like that. But anything they say to me is totally in confidence, and I never say it to anybody. So sometimes it's good to speak to somebody you don't know who won't judge you for it, and then sometimes you want to speak to your family who can understand when you're having tough times, that if you're not being yourself, there's a reason. You're not just being rude, ignorant, or anything like that. You're actually suffering. So sharing is caring is what I like to say, and it's a very true way to think about things too. And so I'm going to go out for a spin out to Tramore, County Waterford here, and I'm going to go out to Dunmore as well. And it's just, even for me, it gives me a freedom in the mind to go off for that spin, because when you're on the bike you're concentrating so much on everything else, as in traffic, anything that's coming from the sides, your own riding ability as well. Even especially myself as a beginner, I'm always learning, I'm always trying to teach myself. So you don't have the time to be thinking about your problems off the bike, and it's a great freedom. And if anybody's ever thinking of getting a bike, I would highly recommend it. It does help with your freedom. For me, it's me time. I get time to go off and just do what I want on the bike. Nothing of the other pressures of the world and everything like that as well. So I just get up on the bike, get out and make videos, and even doing the videos helps me mentally as well. When I'm editing the videos, I don't have time to think of all the crap stuff that can be going on at any one time. It's a great way to get over things, and actually you'll have nice little plans to look forward to editing, and even going out making the videos. if anything happens on the way out, or if anything you want to go see, it actually makes you go outside more, because a lot of the stuff with anxiety and men's mental health is you just stop doing the things that you love doing. And with a bike, you're always loving what you're doing because you're out on your bike, and then you're going to go explore more, and then when you get home you're too tired to think of the bad stuff as well. So that's basically what today is about, getting out no matter what the weather is, for awareness, to know you're not alone. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the video, and if you have any comments, leave them down below, and thanks for watching.